So you guys see here, I just done freaking buried the dually, dude. It is frame. Go. That fucking hurt. Oh God, we got the plug freaking ripping. Yeah, he's fucking crazy. Got the dude over here. Gavin honking the horns. What are you doing, Joe? What?
Driving normal.
Tell us about these drag slicks you just got.
These are some 22, some double dubs.
Some double dubs? We got fucking Doughboy. Keep it going, Doughboy! Hold on tight! Hold on tight! Keep going! Got me and fucking the plug 6-7 ripping. Look at him go. Look at him. Look at him. So I can't get no speed. got right here is the old beater. Don't mind the seat, it's getting redone. And snow falling off of it. It's covered in salt right now. We just got back from doing some snow drifting last night. But I got an issue because my truck does not warm up. Like, it hits 150 degrees and then that's it. So I think my thermostat's stuck because it's freezing driving this thing around. Like ice cold. There's the old motor right there. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is pull this off. The coolant bypass, you can kind of see it. Pull that off, make sure the thermostat's all working. And block, I'm gonna get like a piece of metal I'm gonna cut. Or something to block off the radiator, if that makes sense. Block it. Because it's like -8 degrees outside right now. This thing is so filthy. The frame's still halfway clean. That's all I really care about. The paint, I could just repaint it if I need to. So, old motor's back there, green truck, and we're getting ready to go buy a new vlogging camera. But if anyone knows anything about this heat, please let me know, because I don't know what is going on with it. There's the old cam, but gotta freaking figure it out. Peace.